A frozen landscape, untouched for decades, hides something beneath the ice. Deep below the surface, a shape begins to reveal itself. A team of engineers arrives, searching through the cold and silent terrain. As they scan the ground, they notice something unusual beneath the frozen layer. The outline becomes clearer. A fighter jet, trapped in ice for years, completely preserved by the Arctic cold. They begin clearing the snow, carefully exposing more of the structure. The ice is thick, but they continue cutting through it. Slowly, the front of the aircraft emerges. The cockpit, frozen and covered in cracks, tells the story of time and abandonment. With more effort, the entire jet becomes visible. Every part of it locked in place by ice and frost. The team prepares for extraction. Cables are attached, and the lifting process begins. The aircraft is pulled free, breaking away from the frozen ground. For the first time in decades, it is exposed to the open air. It is transported to a controlled work site. The restoration begins with removing the remaining ice. Water flows as the frozen layers melt away. The true condition of the jet is revealed. It is cleaned thoroughly, removing years of dirt and residue. The surface is scrubbed, exposing cleaner metal beneath. Rust is removed carefully, revealing the original structure. Damaged sections are repaired and reinforced. The aircraft slowly regains its form. With the structure restored, preparation for painting begins. A fresh coat is applied, bringing back its original appearance. The jet now looks new again. systems are powered on. Lights begin to glow inside the cockpit. After years of silence, the aircraft stands ready once more. If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.